In this vibrant interplay, the harmony extends beyond just plants. It's about creating a dynamic ecosystem teeming with life and activity. As gardeners embrace the intricate relationships among plants, they find that diversity fosters resilience against pests and diseases. Think of a garden filled with marigolds, their bright colors and fragrant blooms attracting a myriad of pollinators while simultaneously deterring nematodes and other harmful invaders. This protective barrier not only enhances the flourishing of neighboring crops but also bridges the connection between beauty and functionality. As you wander through these thriving plots, you'll witness firsthand how the cooperative spirit of companion planting uplifts each species involved, rallying them together to create a balanced and thriving environment ripe with possibility. In this nurturing symphony of growth, the careful selection of companions leads to not just survival, but also a flourishing community that celebrates synergy. Before we continue, could you do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, it's free, tap the hype button if your device has that option, and leave a comment about your favorite companion planting methods. And now back to the video. Each season reveals new opportunities to experiment and refine these pairings, as gardeners learn which combinations yield the most vibrant results. Picture a container garden, where herbs like oregano and parsley mingle with peppers, their distinct flavors enriching one another while attracting pollinators to boost productivity. This diversity doesn't just create a feast for the palate, it also stimulates the senses, enveloping you in a tapestry of colors, textures, and scents. As you cultivate these relationships, you may discover unexpected surprises, delighting in the unexpected harvests that emerge from the soil. Within this vibrant ecosystem, it's essential to recognize the significance of each plant's unique role in contributing to overall harmony. For instance, incorporating flowering plants such as borage can vastly elevate your garden's performance, as their star-shaped blooms are not only visually appealing but also attract essential pollinators. As these beneficial insects buzz around, they aid in the pollination of nearby crops, fostering a bounteous harvest season after season. Additionally, borage enhances soil health by breaking up compacted soil with its deep roots, facilitating nutrient uptake for neighboring plants. This illustrates the profound interconnectedness that exists in companion planting, encouraging gardeners to embrace an adaptive and holistic perspective when tending their gardens. One of the most delightful aspects of companion planting is witnessing the marriage of taste and aesthetics. Imagine walking through a garden where colorful blossoms intermingle with vegetables, creating a visual feast that bursts with life and flavor. The vivid orange and yellow hues of calendula can brighten up a plot while repelling pesky aphids, allowing plants like tomatoes to thrive without chemical interventions. This beautiful partnership not only elevates the garden's charm but also reinforces the principle of using natural allies for pest control, promoting healthier growth all around. As seasons change, these living arrangements evolve, prompting thoughtful adjustments to maintain balance and productivity. As you dive deeper into the art of companion planting, consider the unique relationship between sunflowers and various vegetables. Towering above the garden, sunflowers not only bring a stunning visual element but also serve practical purposes. Their towering presence offers shade to heat-sensitive plants during the peak of summer, protecting them from harsh sunlight. Moreover, the large sunflower heads attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, ensuring that the reproductive processes of neighboring plants are optimized. The seeds produced by sunflowers can even provide nourishment for birds, inviting a delightful array of wildlife into your garden space. By embracing this dynamic relationship, you enhance the ecological balance, creating an inviting atmosphere that nurtures both plants and animals alike. This synergy illustrates the beauty and practicality embedded in companion planting, encouraging a flourishing garden. Each time you plant your seeds, remember how each species contributes to this harmonious mosaic, forging pathways for growth and prosperity. As you explore the nuances of companion planting, you'll uncover transformative partnerships that transcend mere survival and lead to extraordinary outcomes. For example, consider the engaging relationship between tomatoes and peppers. These two beloved crops not only share space efficiently but also enhance each other's flavor profiles. As they thrive side by side, their vibrant colors and scents create an inviting atmosphere, pulling you deeper into the garden's embrace. By observing their interactions, you can craft a planting strategy that optimizes health and yield while igniting your creativity as a gardener. Each carefully planted companion becomes part of a greater narrative intricately woven into the landscape. As you deepen your understanding, consider the role of foliage in defining microclimates around plants. Gardening is not just about growing food, it's an act of art, where every choice resonates through the ecosystem. Embracing the principles of companion planting invites a transformative experience, harmonizing our gardens with nature's intricate tapestry. By cultivating these relationships, we not only enhance our yields but also establish a sanctuary brimming with life, where beauty and bounty coexist in perfect equilibrium. Let your garden be a testament to the wonders of cooperation and diversity. Thanks for staying till the end. Please share the video with someone you think might get some use from the information here.